We've had some hard times financially.
For me, it kind of started in '99 when I ended up having to file bankruptcy.
Biggest Achilles heel right now is student loans.
My income situation is a little bit unusual in that I may or may not get paid this month.
Emmeline had had open heart surgery. All I thought about was getting her better. I had to take more time off work. Costs went up.
Then I got laid off at Honeywell. We could not pay a month's worth of bills and still have leftover cash.
I can't really concentrate on anything else because, when's the next paycheck coming in? It's keeping me awake at night. It's like more than.
I think we're like a lot of people out there that are doing the right thing and making our payments, but still feeling that tight crunch right now.
I found myself a single mom of 2 children. I have never, ever dealt with our financial business.
We've never been very good at budgeting. It seems very like a black art.
Sometimes we don't understand which is the better thing to be paying off.
If one of us were to lose our job, or both of us, then really where are we at in the cash position?
If they could just help us set up short-term goals and long-term goals and then give us tools so that we can use them to get to those goals.
At the beginning, we had set goals to pay off a credit card, to partially pay off a van.
We had some foster children live in our home that we were looking to adopt.
We really want to set our children up for an even better future.
Yeah, just paying off our bills, telling us how the best way of going about it, because we've never even met with a financial advisor.
Yeah,
we probably need to do that anyway.
Yeah.
Just giving us a better direction of where to go.
One of our coaches told us it's a marathon, it's not a sprint.
It's a day-to-day thing. The whole thing was don't panic and don't do nothing.
The hardest thing basically is trying to make all these cuts, especially in our recreation areas.
We're not going to be able to spend our money on the little things that we want and don't necessarily need.
Cable, for instance.
I'm cutting back on swimming.
I've cut $60 off the cell phone bill already.
I used to bowl on 2 leagues. I'm down to 1.
We found some budget leaks. We ate out too often. We spent way too much money at the grocery store.
Christmas is always the hard one for us. We buy what we wanted and hope that it all worked out in the end.
That's the hardest part, is keeping on top of what we're doing and what we're spending and saving our receipts. If you pay attention to it and don't get behind with it, then it is easy.
We cut back to the same money.
Since then, we have adopted the 4 kids, which has been just wonderful.
I wouldn't be able to have had the things that I've always wanted to be, is like that mom to these kids, and now I get to be that.
Now we can really take care of them the way they deserve.
We've started our IRA. We now have a savings account. We even started a savings account for our son.
We've been able to make extra payments on student loans now, so that's good.
I almost feel guilty about having extra money now because we struggled for so long.
The thing is, though, it's not really about the goal. It's not really about the contest. It's about, what happens after the contest is over.
I feel like we've done so much already, and it makes me want to do more.
Being able to learn what it is that I need to learn to make this succeed has been truly a blessing.